Alright guys, in today's video I'll be showing you the full rebuild of my 13B single turbo Bridgeport rotary engine. Looks fucking beautiful. Alright, so today's the day we assemble the Bridgeport engine. Just putting on the front plate onto the stand now. I'm going to start assembling things. Cool, so we're just whacking in this front stationary gear. Beautiful. So next thing we're going to be doing is just assembling the rotor. So what we got to do is measure the clearance between the side seals and the corner seal, and also just put in the springs and oil control rings and whatnot. So we gave up on clearancing the old side seals and just went ahead and bought some new ones. So what they do with these, they make them oversized, as you can see here. They're too big. So what you want to do is just grind them down on our grinding stone. Cool, so we've just clearanced the first face, so we just used our feeler gauge and measured the distance between the the corner seal and the side seal there. Yeah, so on to the next. It's a pretty tedious process. Awesome, so we've got our number one rotor all done, so oil seals are in, side seals have been clearanced and are in, and same with our corner seals. So we've slapped some Vaseline on there just to lock everything in place so it doesn't fall out. Do the same on the other side. There we go, look at that. So we'll just start on the second rotor now. And yeah, same again. Cool, so we're going to start by putting the corner seals in. Gonna find the springs, so springs going first. Just like so, easy as. Just use this pen to kind of line it up. Then our solid corner seal goes on top. Bloody hell. There we go. Just like so. Cool, so now that's done, we're going to put in our oil control ring springs. So because this is the rear rotor and this is this faces the back of the engine, we're going to be putting in the blue springs. Cool, so we'll just pop those springs in now. This one's for the inner one. Lined up. Oops, we'll just line this up with that in there. Now go around it and push it in. Cool, that's that. And the other one, the inner one. Cool, so I'll just rub some Vaseline around it to make it have a go in a bit better. Cool. Cool, so both of these rotors are assembled now. I'm just going to blow out these housings with the air compressor just to get any dust out of the water galleries and yeah, clean them up a little bit. I feel very sorry for my neighbours because that air compressor is fucking loud and it's about 11 o'clock on a Sunday night, so see you later.